everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another grocery haul and meal plan video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Christy. I'm currently following the WW Blue program, but I do provide the points for all three programs on my channel, and when I'm doing recipes, I have been trying to include calories as well. So I usually do meal plan, meal prep, cook with me's, what's for dinner, those type of things. So if you like those type of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing. All right, so it's been a couple weeks since I've done a grocery haul meal plan video, so I'm excited this weekend to get prep done. So let me share with you what I got this week. I did an Aldi grocery haul. Actually, it was an Aldi Instacart delivery. And I also did a Misfits Market haul this week. I haven't used them in a while, actually. I put them on hold for a few months. So I don't remember. I think I filmed a Misfits Market unboxing like months and months ago, and I never ended up putting it up. I think the pandemic hit and I just never put it up. So I do use them occasionally. Basically what they are is they're like misfit fruits and vegetables that would otherwise be thrown away. So they might, they might have like some type of blemish on them, but they are supposedly all certified organic. And you just go on there. Now, a lot of people didn't used to like using Misfits Market because you never knew what you were gonna get in your box. But I get to pick my box. So I'm not sure if like maybe when you first start out, you don't get to pick your box, but after, so many times you do get to pick the box. So if you're interested, this is not sponsored or anything. I'm just sharing with you what I got. But if you're interested, I will put the link down in the description box below. So I think you can get like 25% off your first order. So let me share with you what I got. This is actually the $22. I think this is the $22 box. They have two different boxes. So I got some green onions, some mini cucumbers, some red potatoes, and then some regular yellow potatoes or white potatoes, whatever you call them. I got some red onions, some summer squash, some green leaf lettuce. Actually, one of them is like, I think they call it red leaf lettuce and green leaf. And then a regular onion. I got some red delicious apples and some regular pears, and then a couple Bosc pears. So moving on to my Aldi haul, like I said, I did Instacart delivery, and let me tell you what happened. I actually did this last night. I ordered it last night, and half my order was not there. They gave me somebody else's bag that had like hot cocoa and Rice Krispies in it, and left my bag that had all my meats. I didn't get it. So they instantly refunded me. So if you ever use Instacart and you don't get what you ordered, they are really good. You just put in there what they left out, and they're really good about instantly refunding either your card. You can choose what you want. Either you want to refund your card, or you want them to credit your Instacart account, or you just want to let them know. Like if it's something real little, I don't even worry about it. I just, let them know that they got it wrong. So the total that I spent before the tip was $95. So not too bad of a grocery haul this week. All right, so from Aldi, I had to pull some more stuff out. I forgot about the Brussels sprouts. I got some broccoli, some Brussels sprouts. I got both kinds. I got microwave kind and then these kinds. These kind I like to put in the oven and roast, and then those ones just go in the microwave. I got some beefsteak tomatoes, some limes, green peppers, blueberries, a cantaloupe, and I think that's it for 0 point fruits and vegetables. And then, 0 point mushrooms. I got some of those. I got my husband some horseradish sauce. This kind is actually a little bit less in points. This is, I'm pretty sure it said you could have 1 teaspoon for 0 points or 3 teaspoons for 1 point. And then I needed mayonnaise. I was all out. I usually use the Kraft Light, so I've not tried this kind. So I'm anxious to try this. It's the Berman's kind. This kind is 1 point for 1 tablespoon or 3 points for 2 tablespoons. And then I am going to try this Regano Traditional. If you've watched me for some time, you know that our favorite pasta sauce is Prego Traditional. So I'm just a little bit anxious to see how this compares to it. Point-wise, it's the same as 3 points for half a cup. I got a couple bags of Idahoan roasted garlic and Parmesan baby reds. I just like to keep these in my pantry. They're super easy. You just mix them with water, and they're really good. Those are 4 points for a half a cup. Then I got some hash browns. These ones on purple are 0 points, and then on blue and green you can have 3 ounces for 2 points. Got some sharp cheddar. We usually use the Cabot full fat cheese, but we're gonna try this kind. This is the Happy Farms brand. This kind is 4 points for 1 ounce. I also got 1/3 less fat cream cheese, and that is 1 tablespoon for 2 points, or 2 tablespoons for 3 points. I got a couple bags of the chicken tenderloins. Those are boneless, skinless chicken tenderloins. Those are our absolute favorite kind of chicken. Those are 0 points on blue and purple. On green, you can have either 3 ounces for 0, or you can have 9 ounces for 1. Anything over 9 ounces becomes 2 points. And then I got a couple bags of cheese, reduced fat sharp cheddar, and part skim mozzarella. These are both 3 points for 1/4 cup. I got the turkey that I know a lot of you mentioned that you tried this and really like it. This is the kind that's already cooked. It's oven roasted turkey breast portions. So 0 points on blue and purple. On green, you can have 3 3/4 ounces for 1 point. Or if you wanted it at 0, then you could have up to 2 ounces on green for 0 points. I also got some Atlantic salmon. This kind is 0 points on blue and purple, and then for green you can have 4 ounces for 5 points. I also got these ham slices. They're biscuit ham slices, so I figured these are going to be like similar to the Canadian bacon. They are a little bit thinner though, it looks like. For these you can have 4 slices for 1 point. I also got some of the Never Any chicken breakfast sausage. If you've watched my recent baked spaghetti video, you saw that is what I used in that. That is 1 point per link. Also got the Appleton Farms fully cooked bacon. For this kind, you can have 3 slices for 2 points. And also the Fit and Active flatbread. This is a 100-calorie flatbread. This is 2 points for 1 whole flatbread, and they're pretty good size. And then the other thing I got was a delivery from Amazon for my Dunkin' Donuts K-Cups. So I'm on like I don't know what you call it. It's like a subscription where they automatically send it. It's like an auto delivery. They automatically send it. I really like it because they always send me a reminder. So if I'm not running low on it, I can change the date or whatever. I'm not sure if there's a way to put a link to the Amazon auto subscription. If there is, I'll put it down in the description box below. I mentioned in a previous video that we are actually hoping to do away with K-Cups eventually, but right now we're still using them. I just can't justify buying a new coffee maker right now when there's really nothing wrong with my Keurig. So I'm just on the fence right now about whether to get a coffee maker or not. So that's my grocery haul for the week. So now let me show you what the meal plan looks like. All right, so here is my meal plan for this week. And if you're new to my channel and you've not seen the way I do my meal planning, I do have a couple videos out there. One is showing how to make a recipe binder, and the other is showing how I do my meal planning. So I will make sure to link those down in the description box below. And also I do have a bunch of free printables on my website, the meal planners and a couple other things. So you're more than welcome to print those out at your leisure. I'll make sure to leave the link down in the description box below. So this week on the meal plan for breakfast, I'm going to be doing omelet bites. They're basically kind of like egg bites. I'm going to be doing them in the Instant Pot. You can do little egg bites in the oven as well. So those are going to be 3 points on blue, 3 points on purple, and 7 points on green. And also you'll notice I have calories on there. If you missed my weekly chat video this week, I'm not leaving Weight Watchers. I am staying on Weight Watchers, but I am trying to provide the calories for people who are not staying with Weight Watchers. I know a lot of people are going to counting calories, and I've just always had a lot of followers, not just Weight Watchers, so I'm trying to provide the calories on my meal plans as well. They've always been on my recipes. If you pull up my recipes on my website, you'll always see the calories on there, but I've usually never given them when I do my meal plans or my meal prep, so I'm going to be starting to do that. So just in case you were wondering why I have calories, that's why. So those are, like I said, 3 points on blue and purple, 7 points on green. Calories is 225. And then I'm gonna do bacon with those, even though I'm gonna be using some little ham slices cut up in the omelet bites. I'm also gonna do bacon on the side. I'm gonna use the Appleton Farms fully cooked bacon, so that way I don't have to cook it. I'll just put it in with our meal prep containers. And those are gonna be 2 points on all programs. 180 calories. And then I have my coffee, which is 2 points. I use the sugar-free French vanilla creamer and a couple Splendid packets in that. So for the breakfast, that is going to be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then for Thursday and Friday, I thought about doing the omelet bites all week, and what I was going to do is just make some for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then I was going to throw some in the freezer. That way they would last for Thursday and Friday. But I decided Thursday and Friday I'm just going to do chicken sausage breakfast bowls. I think I'm teleworking those days, so those will be super easy for me to just get up and whip a couple together for those 2 days. Those are 4 points on blue, 1 point on purple, and 8 points on green. And I forgot to write the calories. Those are 239 calories. I actually just had that printed out, so I remember that. 239 calories for those. So that'll be Thursday and Friday. For lunches this week, I'm going to be doing turkey and rainbow veggies. Basically, it's roasted vegetables that are like the color of the rainbow is basically you just kind of make a rainbow, a bunch of different vegetables, different colors, and roast them. Super easy. I'm going to be using turkey tenderloin that I got. I can't even remember where I think that one I got maybe from Publix. I think it's the Jenny O turkey tenderloin. That turkey is 2 points on all programs. I think it's like apple smoked turkey, so it's not the 0 point. So that'll be 2 points on all programs. And then of course the vegetables are 0. Although I'm probably going to make a point out of the vegetables because I'm going to add some olive oil. So I will count. So that'll actually only be a 3 point lunch, which isn't too bad. But if you go calorie wise, the turkey tenderloin is only 100 calories for 4 ounces. I'm probably just going to be doing 4 ounces with each meal prep. So that's not really going to be a lot. So I think I'm going to probably add some rice with it. So it'll be 3 for the turkey and vegetables, and then probably another 3 for the rice. So it'll end up being about a 6 point lunch on blue and green. If you're on purple and use brown rice, then you wouldn't have to count that. So that will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And then Thursday and Friday, like I said, I'm going to be home. Probably just whip together a tuna sandwich or something. Probably count that about 4 points by the time I do the bread, and then the mayonnaise usually comes to about 4 points. For dinners this week, it is my son's 29th birthday. I cannot believe I'm going to have a child who is 30 next year. So my son is the one who has Logan. So I have 2 children, Justin and Caitlin. Caitlin is the one who lives in Clearwater, and then Justin lives here. He has Logan. So it's his birthday, and he wants to just us and him get together. So I think we may just go to their house and do something for dinner Monday night. I'm not really sure. So I'm not planning anything. I'll see what he wants to do. If he wants me to make him something, I will. Otherwise, we might go to his house. So no idea what we're doing there. So I'm bumping, normally Monday nights are salmon nights. So I'm bumping that to Wednesday. Tuesday, I'm going to do a slow cooker salsa chicken. I haven't made that in a long time, and that is really good. I'm going to just plop it in the slow cooker Tuesday morning. That way it's done for Tuesday night. That is going to be 2 points on blue and purple and 7 points on green, and that comes to 371 calories. And then Wednesday, a super easy 1-pan salmon and broccoli. I actually made this, I think it was this past Thursday, on weigh-in day. I had mentioned that I got on the scale that morning, and then that night I just had salmon and broccoli. It was so good. I basically just pan-seared it just a little bit to get, kind of that crust on the top. And then I put it in the oven and roasted it with the broccoli, and oh my gosh, it was so good. I loved it. So I told my husband, we're just going to have plain salmon and broccoli again this week. I may end up adding rice to it. It just depends. I'll see how I feel that night. That's going to be Wednesday night, the night before weigh-in. So I'll see. The salmon is 0 points on blue and purple, and then 7 points on green. And the kind I use is sustainably farmed. It's not the wild. So if you use wild caught, I think that's a little bit less points. And it is 260 calories for the 5-ounce portion. And then I'm just going to do roasted broccoli with that. With that, I don't count the olive oil because I don't really massage olive oil into it. I just kind of spritz it with a little bit, so I don't count it. And then Thursday night, I'm going to do crustless pot pie. Been a long time since I've made that. So I'm going to have that Thursday night. That's 4 points on blue, 3 points on purple, 6 points on green, and 183 calories. And Friday night, we're going to do pizza pinwheels. I made these for meal prep I think a couple times actually. Those are really good. So we're going to do those for dinner on Friday. Those are going to be 6 points on all programs and 237 calories. And then the weekends, I don't normally plan anything. My husband did get a smoker for his birthday. He got a Pit Boss. So he's going to do some smoked pork on that Saturday. And then Sunday, I'm not sure what we're going to do. And then for snacks this week, I'm going to do fruit. I have cantaloupe, blueberries, and I'm probably going to do some apples and PB2. And then pudding for 2 points. And of course the fruit is 0. Apples and PB2 is 1 point. Just a point for the PB2. So it should be a fairly basic, easy meal prep this week. Shouldn't take me too long at all, some basic things. So these recipes I will have linked down in the description box below. This is just a meal plan, so when it comes time for meal prep, something could change or something may change during the week, but I will put, as of right now, what I'm planning, I'll put the recipes down below. Some of them won't have recipes, like the turkey and rainbow veggies. I mean, it's literally just a turkey tenderloin that I'm gonna be cooking. Not doing anything special, so there's really no recipe for that. I'm not even sure how many. I think I'm going to probably cook it in the Instant Pot. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're new, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Christy, and I'm planning us healthy.